Hello, math and sports folks. So this is just a brief video over the final football assignment. This is a little formula sheet that you can refer to with all of the formulas on it that we have used in this unit. I just added the min and max passer ratings, so as you do those, you can have a little idea of how well the passer did. So on the first page here, pretty simple, you're just matching up choices, abbreviated, for the description of what that position is. So as an example, blocking for the running back, who would do that? Well, offensive linemen would do that, and fullbacks would do that. Okay, so FB being fullback, and then OL being offensive lineman. Who catches a punt and returns it? The punt returner, M. So there's two choices here, but the rest of these will just have one choice. That's why I did choose number 2. And just do one here that was a little bit confusing below. The act of losing possession of the ball, it doesn't say turnover. It just says losing possession is a fumble, I. And then when the defense gains possession of the ball from the offense, that is a turnover, H. So you have the rest to fill in, just one choice for each of those. Okay, so tier 2, passer ratings. So you have all this busy work to do here. That's what passer ratings is about, busy work. And you're going to use the A, B, C, and D formulas. Notice on A, those are these right here. Notice on A, we get 2.646 when you do completions over attempts minus 0.3 times 5. You get 2.646. You need to keep your values in between 0 and 2.375. So I'll write that where X is A or B or C or D. I'll write that down. I probably should have just written it that way. That description, that's what this confusing thing here is saying. All right, so you add all those up, you divide by 6 after you do your A, B, C, D calculations. Why are they that way? Because they want these numbers to work out a certain way. So they can see these. These are also data points. And compare different features of both bad and good quarterbacks. So add them all up, divide by 6 times by 100, 103.6. So that is compared to a maximum of 158.3. That's decent. Okay, college football. So you're going to use the formula here. And the max is 1261.6. So this passer rating was 245.5, which is okay. Again, that max might be a little deceiving. And as you look at this, actually, it's probably more than okay because he threw 5 touchdowns and 1 interception. That's probably a very, very good day. So that max value might be a little deceiving in how quarterbacks are getting rated collegiately. And then, third page here. So this is our fantasy football, and you need to figure out the separate points. So this is a running back. You would divide the yards by 10, round down. So 30.5. You get 30 points there. 6 points per touchdown, so that's 18 points. Fumbles, well, let me see if I did that right. That should be 14. Sorry about that. I just can't read my own writing. That's -2 for each fumble, so negative 14. And then when you add all of this up, 45, these 3 add to 45, minus 14 is 41. So you're adding all those point values up. So -2 for each fumble, making -14. Then the defense gave up 35 points, so that's a -3. You just look that one up. And the little grid there. Force 5 turnovers, that's -2 for each turnover. Okay, so you add those at 7. You do this for each particular position, and then you're going to have a point value for each of those descriptions, and then you sum that score. And if you're in a fantasy football league, what you do is you compare that to other scores, and you actually go head to head with someone else, and then that's your win or loss for the day, and then you have a win-loss record that fits into a league somewhere. Okay, then Roman numerals. So the best thing to do is break this apart into like the tens and the ones place. So LX is 60. So L is 50 plus 10 is 60. And then this is 5 with a 1 before it. So that would be 4. So think of like the tens and the ones. So 39, how do you make a 30? XXX. How do you make a 9? IX. The I is before the X, so you do 10 minus 1 there. On the end here, you don't have to do this tier 3. I think that would be a whole lot of guess and check. It is a great problem, but I won't require on this assignment that to be done, but it is great to do the guess and check on that. So this is the last assignment in the football unit. And then next Monday, I'll start posting some bowling assignments, how to calculate scores in bowling.